how to fix Android Auto not working. So if you want to fix your Android Auto not working, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your settings at first. After opening your settings, go with connection and sharing, and then scroll down, go with Android Auto. Once you're here, make sure that you've turned on automatically, which is start Android Auto automatically. It's always turned on. After turning that on, make sure that you've previously connected any vehicles and it's working. And if it's not working, then you can go back and go with the apps section. Under apps, you need to go with manage apps, go with search, and under search you need to search for Android Auto, and here make sure that you allow all of the permissions, which is like calendar, call logs, SMS and everything, and make sure you have not denied any permissions. And here you can go with delete data and tap on clear cache and then tap on OK. Once you clear your cache, your problem might be fixed. And you can go and restart your device. After restarting, your Android Auto will be working. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.